Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to add Manta token to MetaMask. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type etherscan.io. After that, you just have to use this search bar and you simply need to type Manta network. And it will redirect you on this page. Now over here you are going to see the contract address of Manta. So you simply need to copy this contract address and after that you just have to launch your MetaMask mobile application. Once done, you will have to first select your network to Manta. So in order to select it, you will have to tap on this top arrow button in the top and after that you need to tap on add network. Now over here you are going to see a bunch of different networks, but here you will not be able to see Manta Pacific network, so you can add the custom network over here. So you simply need to type the name of the network, then the RPC URL chain ID and symbol. And then you simply need to press add. Now once you have selected Manta Pacific Minute in the top, you will have to tap on import tokens. Then you need to tap on custom tokens and here you will have to paste the address of the token that we have just copied previously. And then it will show you the token symbol and the token decimal. So over here you need to click on import in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. And then it will show you that your token is imported. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.